Start by taping off the paint around the headlight. Don't skip this step, you don't want to scratch your car's paint. Clean the headlight with glass cleaner. Start with 400 grit sandpaper. Sand in one direction. I focus on the remaining 2K clear coat first. This is the hardest part to get out. You may need to use more than one piece of sandpaper. When you have taken out all the clear coat, sand the remaining part of the headlight. Clean the headlight, make sure you have taken out all the haze from the headlight and move to 600 grit. Try to sand in the opposite direction from the last sandpaper. That's how you know you have sanded out the previous scratch marks. Clean, inspect, and move to 800 grit. You will like the result in the end. Next, move to 1000 grit. Then to 1500 grit. Next to 2000 grit. We finish off the sanding with 2500 grit. Clean the headlight with glass cleaner and prepare for polishing. I add 3 to 5 dots of heavy cut compound, depending on how big the headlight is. This one is quite big. I dab it around the headlight, spread it on low speed and then slightly speed it up. Then move to softer pad and finer polish. Dab it on the headlight, spread on low speed, and then speed it up a bit. This is where you bring out that deep shine. Wipe off the remaining polish and clean up the headlight with glass cleaner. It's pretty important to protect the headlight after this hard work. There are a bunch of options such as headlight-specific clear coat, ceramic coating, wax, or headlight protection film. I am going to be using wax today. I spread it evenly across the headlight, wait for it to haze up and buff it out. Now look at that difference. We did a good job. Repeat the process for the other headlight and admire your results. If you found this video helpful, you can like it, subscribe to the channel, and comment if you have something to say. Goodbye.